A lettuce edge hem is a decorative finish that you can sew on ruffles, bodices, sleeves and more on garments made with knit fabric. It's similar to a rolled hem, with a deliberately stretched out edge creating the rippled effect. I'm going to show you how to create a lettuce edge hem using an overlocker or serger. I've used it to finish these added shoulder ruffles on my Billy sweatshirt dress. You can find the free pattern for the ruffles at tillyandthebuttons.com. The ruffles would also go nicely with our Freya mock neck top pattern from my book Stretch and the Tabitha t-shirt pattern from my book Make It Simple. To create the narrow stitch, remove the left needle and thread to sew a 3-thread overlock stitch. Thread your overlocker in a colour you don't mind showing on the finished edge, whether that's matching, toning or even contrast. Set the stitch length to R for a rolled hem. Do the same with the stitch width if your overlocker has this setting. And to help stretch the fabric, lower the differential feed. Remove the stitch finger by pressing a lever, or if your machine has a stitch finger or chaining finger switch knob, set this to R. To make the fabric roll to the underside, you'll need to adjust the thread tension. Try raising the tension dial on the lower looper by 3 notches and raising the right needle tension by 1 notch, or check your manual for recommended rolled hem settings. As you sew the edge, pull the fabric both towards you and away from you. The more you pull, the more the edge will curl up. And there's your lovely lettuce edge hem.